Hi everyone, I'm very excited to announce my brand new Skillshare class. I've decided to create a series of classes to teach you how I draw with colored pencils on black paper. I've been doing that for almost 15 years and I've developed my own personal technique, which I think works very well for me. And I just wanted to share with you how I do it because I know that it can be frustrating for people who really enjoy working with colored pencils and would like to try different things. Working on black paper is so different than working on white paper. So I'd like to share with you lots of tips and techniques that you can use to help you make it easier and have a lot more fun. So the first class that I just finished editing is the basics. So we're going to be drawing a crow. So just black and white, piece of black paper and a white pencil. To me, this is the easiest way to get started and you get familiar with working on black paper. And once you're comfortable doing that, then we'll move on to colors. And that will be my next class. It's not ready yet, but I will let you know as soon as I publish it. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was also done with colored pencils on black paper, and I had a great time drawing this little puppy. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check out my class. It'll give you access to Skillshare for 2 months for free, and then you can watch my class or the other 2 that I have already there, as well as any classes that is available on the website. Thank you all for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.